Barcodes are everywhere. You can see them in retail sector, on products. You can see them in health sector. You can see them on your identity documents. They are virtually everywhere. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate barcodes using PDF.co web APIs with the help of Postman API development platform. Before you go on and perform the steps explained in this video, you have to create your account with Postman, and you should know how to connect Postman with PDF.co web APIs. And to see how to do that, you can go to pdf.co/postman, this link, and here you will find all the information on how to create an account with Postman and how to connect Postman with pdf.co web APIs. So let's go back. Now we will see how to generate barcodes with pdf.co and Postman. So you open the Postman dashboard. On the left side you have various options. You have to click collections, and here you will see all the API services provided by pdf.co. You can expand that. Since we want to generate barcodes, you have to find barcode generator, which is here, you can see, and then you have to click this option. And here you can see the options that you can use to generate a barcode. You have to click form data, and you have to specify the name of the barcode. This will be the file. So I will specify barcode.png. You can name it anything. Here you have to specify the value of your barcode, the actual value that your barcode will be storing. So you can specify anything. I will write ABCDEF 1 2 3 4 5 6, and finally you have to specify the type of your barcode. So here you have to write type, and the default is QR code, so I will keep that. You can specify other barcode types as well. For instance, code 128, PDF 417, UPCA, code 93, and so on. Once you have specified these options, you have to click send. And if everything is fine, you will see the status of 200, the response status. To see your barcode, you have to click this link. And you can see the newly generated barcode here. So this is how you can generate barcode using pdf.co and Postman API development platform. Thank you for watching this video.